Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're a new viewer, kindly subscribe to our channel. So in this channel, what we do mostly, we learn, we grow, and we explore things relating to agriculture. So keep watching and
like
please
how long
share with a friend.
with this ugu stay before you start cutting them for sales?
If it is rain season, it's 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
But this is dry season, it's 1 month.
So after the first 2 weeks, you expected that the ugu will come up.
You cut it.
You cut it.
Yes. Then after 2 weeks, another one
will come up. So you don't totally uproot it.
No, they no used to uproot.
You don't use to uproot. You just be cutting it gradually.
It's only this one you can uproot.
You can uproot. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. But this one, as it is now, when I came myself, I was looking at it that is too small. That means you've cut a lot.
I have cut it
a lot
until ending of this month. Before
you can play it,
I will cut it again.
Cut it again. Wow. As you can see. So which one? I learned there are male and female.
Yes. This is the male.
This one now is a male now.
This is female.
This one is a female.
This is female.
So you see, this is the female. This one is broad leaf, right? It has a wider leaf. How do you know the female?
Because I know that it's producing
flower, seed.
No, seed.
Okay. Okay, anyone that produces flower, that's how you know it.
Yes.
That is the female.
Yes.
So after
this female producing seed. This is male producing flower.
Okay. See, male produces flower, female produces seed. You can see the flower. You can see the flower here. You can see so back to the question again. Maybe from the planting to the uprooting to the bearing of seed, go be like how long? How long does it take?
From 8 months to 10 months.
8 months. From 8 months to 10 months. Is it for the bearing of seed?
No. Before you starting bearing seed or flower.
Okay. But from the first week to the second week, you can start cutting it for sale.
It's for 1 month.
1 month.
It's different from
this one now.
This one is 1 month before you start cutting the first mouth.
Okay.
So if it is rain season, after that 1 month, it's 2 weeks. Okay. But this is dry season, so from 1 month to another month.
Okay. If I want, because some people they find it difficult to cut. This for me, there was a time I planted ugu and then somebody went to cut it. The way the person cut it made the thing to start dying.
Yes,
I don't know from which part of the mouth.
It's true. I'm going to show
you
that.
No, just your hand. Just your hand. From where?
Can I cut it?
I can cut from here now.
Yes.
So you see?
So that the remaining one we shoot out again.
We shoot out again. So you can cut from here. Look at my hand now.
Yes.
You see the mouth. Show them the mouth. See the mouth of the ugu. See where you can cut from. So that this other side can start shooting out. And then the mouth will still keep growing. Some people make mistake to cut from. Where did that guy cut from that day?
The root of the...
Some persons go as deep as the root. It's very wrong. You get. So, enjoy your farming. So, one more thing, ma. The seed, how long does it take to mature?
At least 4 months to 5 months.
That's 1 month to first cutting?
No.
The first, how long? The fruitful, like the period that is still germinating, like the total number of months or years is how long?
If you jam better land, ugu used to stay 2 years.
2 years.
But this land we are manage it. It's only 1 year.
Wow. But you can add
next
manure
year
now.
by this time, if you come, yes. When I'm clearing it, I want to add manure.
This compost manure, this goat feces and.
For this dry season. You have to put those manure. If you put fertilizer is going to kill it.
Wow.
Until rain season, you can add fertilizer.
So everything now will be like 2 years before. That's if you jam better land though. If you jam better land, 2 years. But if you not jam better land, just monitor your land. You get 1 month, 1 year. It will give you result. Probably from the one year, 6 months, you will notice some changes. It's time for you to replant and then continue your process. Does it die after that period of time?
Yes.
Or you uproot them?
No.
they will gradually die. You start replacing them.
Yes.
Wow. So Mama has already told us that from the first month you can cut. Then from the 8th month you're expected to see the seed. Then
Either
from
seed or flower.
either seed or flower. You get from the 8th month you see either seed or flower. Then from what month now do you expect maturity of the seed? Do you expect the seed to mature? From 4 or 5 months from the 8th month.
Yes.
Right? So check your backyard. If you see something you can actually also go. Don't forget the purpose of this video is to encourage more people to go into agriculture. Look at your backyard. Your backyard might even be bigger than what mommy has. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button. And don't forget to leave a comment where you find you need us to clear you on things relating to ugu farming. Thank you.